In 326 BC, Alexander the Great pushed east, seeking conquest and glory. The banks of the Hydaspes River, his Greek army faced the mighty force of King Porus of India, a battle that would test courage against colossal war elephants. The dawn breaks over Hydaspes, where Greeks tame claims on the riverbank, while Indian war elephants tore through the morning mist, heralding a clash of titans. Alexander surveys the field, eyes sharp, minds calculating. Behind him, disciplined Greek soldiers await, while the distant thunder of elephants signal the coming storm. Porus side atop his war elephant, living toward bronze and muzzle. The Indian army stands ready, shields raised, mountain of strength facing the invaders. Rain lashes the battlefields as Greek cavalry charges forward, hooves splashing mud while the war elephants advance, shaking the earth with every step. Greek soldiers navigate the turbulent river, pushing into enemy territory as Indian scouts and elephants loom on the far bank, sensing the intruders. Spears collide with dogs. Greek phalanx meet Indian infantry. Elephants surge through the chaos, and the battlefield becomes a tempest of strategy and survival. A wall of elephants charges, heads quaking beneath them, yet Greek formations tighten, refusing to yield to the unstoppable force before them. Alexander leads his cavalry through the chaos, weaving around towering dogs. Courage and strategy confront sheer force in a deadly dance. The Indian army pushes forward relentlessly, elephants tearing gaps in the Greek ranks. Discipline and resolve will be tested to the limit. Blood and dust fill the air as soldiers clash. Elephant trash, and every swing of the weapon brings life or death on the field of the Hydaspes. Amidst the storm, Porus stands tall, spears raised, embodying courage, honor, and the unyielding spirit of his people. Alexander presses forward, commanding his troops with precision. Each maneuver turns the tide against the mighty beast, each step calculated for victory. Even the mighty elephants fought as Greek tactics redirect them. The impossible becomes possible, and chaos bends to discipline. Across the battlefield, two kings locked eyes, warriors and elephants froze in respect. In this clash of legends, valor and strategy define the outcome. As dust settled, exhaustion and respect filled the field. Greek and Indian soldiers alike bear witness to the cause of glory, the dignity of courage. Porus stands tall despite defeat. Alexander approaches, and the battlefield echoes with the valor of men and beasts, a legend carved in time along the Hydaspes. The Battle of Hydaspes has ended, yet its fire scorches the pages of history. Steel clashed against dogs, men faced giants, the earth trembled under courage, the air rolled with defiance, and through it all, one truth remained: dignity cannot fall. Porus bowed, but he did not break. His spirit rose higher than the mightiest elephant. His honor remained unshaken, a torch blazing in the shadows of defeat. Alexander, victorious yet tempered by respect and motives. True greatness is not measured in conquest alone, but in the courage seen, the value acknowledged, the dignity honored. Every scar, every fallen soldier, every trembling beast whispered the same: loss does not erase honor. Struggle shapes wisdom. Adversity awakens strength hidden within. Stand in the storm, rise from the ashes. Let every battle, every trial carve not just your path, but the depth of your soul. The river flows onward, relentless, carrying the echoes of failure through the ages. The sun spills gold and shadows across battlefield. History remembers courage, honor, dignity. These are victories no one can steal. Rise, rise when the world presses down. Rise when fear whispers you cannot. Embrace your scars, your losses, your trials. They are the chisels shaping your spirit. In every fall, awaken your strength. In every struggle, know your worth. And in every battle, remember the soul that stands unwavering, the heart that honors dignity, the spirit that refuses to yield. These are the true legends of history.